Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for EURUSD, and I'm starting off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has been moving strongly bearish since June of last year, forming lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, and price just kept on moving like that quite strongly and even up to now. Price again from the lower low. The lowest has been for a long while, up to the 0.955 area, and then in the last week price started making a bullish move, and this bullish move could be a retracement, it could be the beginning of a reversal, but the advice would be to assume that it is a retracement, because I wouldn't advise you to trade against the trend. As you can see, price has been in a very strong downtrend for a while, so why would you want to trade against it? And the probability of it being the continuation is stronger than the probability of it being a reversal. So I would say that our mind should be focused on trading the trend, which at the moment is a bearish trend. So with that in mind, and with this bullish candle being formed, we can assume that this bullish candle could possibly be a retracement. Now the question is, where will this retracement end, and where will we start looking for our sell signal? And that is where the use of the Fibonacci retracement comes in. That's what gives us a good idea of where a possible reversal would be. And usually when using the Fibonacci retracement, we're targeting either the 50% Fibonacci level or the 61.8% Fibonacci level. Now looking at it from this swing high here to the swing low, we can see that our Fibonacci retracement, our golden ratio, is between this area here. Okay, that is the 0.995 there to the 0.98, say 0.985 if you will, or 0.986. That area there is our zone, so where we will be targeting for our Fibonacci retracement. So with the top one being the 61.8% level and the bottom one being the 50% Fibonacci level. And ultimately this area falls within the zone of, or within the 0.99 zone. That's what I will call it, is 0.99 zone. And that is where price is getting into at the moment. Okay, and we can see that this zone again falls just around where the trend line is as well. So if we take out the Fibonacci retracement, now that we've mapped it out, we can see, or we can say that we would wait for price to get into the zone. Price is very close to that zone. It may start reversing from here for all we know, but again, price may just go into this area here, okay, and gives us a reversal pattern, especially on the weekly time frame or the daily time frame. If we see a reversal candlestick pattern, like say for example an engulfing candle just like this one here, or a pin bar candle, I would say just like this one, but on the opposite side. Okay, so that is what we'll be looking out for in this zone there. And when that sort of candlestick pattern forms, then we'll be looking to take our sell trade to the downside. Okay, I would only be looking to buy if this area here, that's this previous low here, is broken completely, and then price goes and breaks the trend line as well. So breaking this previous low, breaking the trend line, and price closing above it on the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, for me, it's a strong indication that price could just continue all the way to the upside and maybe a reversal started to form. On the other hand, if price breaks that level, it may face a resistance here. Okay, come back down to retest this area again. And if it gives us a bullish signal from there, then we're looking to take our buy trades to the top. And essentially what this is forming, if you can see very well, is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so ultimately that's what it would form to move to the upside. All right, but again, this hasn't formed yet, and that's if price is going to reverse and start it's a bullish move. But my bias again is strongly bearish for now. I am trading with the trend until otherwise proven, and that proof will probably be a break of this trend line and a break of this previous low as well. But if price gives us a bearish reversal here, then I'll be looking to take my sell trade to the downside. And again, on the 4-hour time frame, where we try to look to enter quite early. Again, we're waiting for price to enter into that zone there. We can see that price has bounced several times within that zone. So we're waiting for price to go straight into this zone, and then we'll look to see how price reacts, especially on the daily time frame. And if price gives us that sell signal, then we'll be looking to sell the market to the downside. Okay, and then we'll be aiming to probably take our trades all the way down here to 0.9 the 0.9 area. Okay, and that will be a trade that we're going to hold for a while. And if again price plays out, say price plays out that way, we get into our trade here around the 0.98 area. I'll take stop loss maybe around 250 pips thereabouts, and then we'll be looking to take profit around 700 800 pips again, which is an excellent trade to take over like say a 2-week period. Again, this is what I'm looking at for my trade. Just like I said for gold, I am bearish at the moment. I will be trading with the bearish trend, and I have tried to identify an area where price could possibly reverse from. I hope this video has been very helpful for you. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.